Do you find yourself struggling with printer problems? You're not alone. Today, we'll take you through common printer issues and how to fix them easily. First, let's ensure that your printer is powered on and properly connected. Check the power cable and the USB or network connections. Next, inspect the ink or toner levels. If they're low, replace them to ensure high-quality prints. Encountering paper jams? Open the tray and carefully remove any jammed paper. Make sure the printer is off while you're doing this for safety. To keep your printer running smoothly, make sure your drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest versions. Most operating systems come with a built-in troubleshooter for printers. Run this utility to automatically diagnose and fix issues. Over time, nozzles can get clogged. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines to clean the print heads properly and restore print quality. If your printer is wireless, ensure that it is connected to the correct network. Check your Wi-Fi settings or printer display menu. If all else fails, you might want to reset your printer to factory settings. Refer to the manual for step-by-step instructions. By following these tips, you can resolve most common printer issues. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your printer and ensure optimal performance.